Hi, my name is Sheryl Suppinger and I'm one of the counselors here at Porte High School. I am reaching out to you today to tell you a little bit about a project that we are working on this summer for our upcoming seniors. Porte High School will be hosting a college application workshop, a 3-hour-long instructional meeting between our college-bound seniors and a school counselor here at Porte. Workshop students will receive a pre-made organizational binder outlining college application preparational activities to work on during the summer months to have ready before August 1st or before most college application materials become available. Some of the activities will include compiling a personal data sheet to organize usernames, passwords, and reference information for the student, completing an achievement sheet to organize all activities, awards, and future goals so recommenders have an easier time helping our students with individualized recommendation letters. Recording college campus visits, a tool that our students can use to keep track of their thoughts while visiting your campuses, as well as reviewing a decision-making sheet for students to use as a springboard for discussion with their parents about their tentative plans A, B, or C after high school. In addition to the binder, we would like to give our workshop participants a goodie bag. If your institution would like to provide some promotional materials for this goodie bag, please contact me at the email address provided in the email correspondence. We are specifically seeking folders, flash drives, pencils, lanyards, t-shirts, or banners. These giveaways are a great way for us to positively promote your schools. We appreciate your consideration. Go Slicers!